Have you ever tried to rent an apartment in English and suddenly felt stuck? You understand the listing, but when it's time to ask questions, everything feels harder. What should you ask during the visit? Do you have to pay extra for amenities? And how do you ask these things clearly and politely? Today, we'll practice a real, natural English conversation for renting an apartment, so you feel calm, confident, and prepared for real-life situations.
That's right. Renting an apartment can already feel stressful, and speaking in another language can make you hesitate. With the right phrases and a bit of practice, you can handle this conversation smoothly.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. If you enjoy realistic English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
All right, let's get started.
Hi there. You must be here about the apartment listing.
Yes, that's right. Thanks for meeting with me. I wanted to see the apartment in person and ask a few questions.
Of course. Let's start with the living area.
Sounds good.
This is the living room. It gets plenty of natural light in the afternoon.
I like that. It feels bright but still comfortable. Is the apartment furnished or unfurnished?
It's unfurnished.
Got it. That works better for me.
The kitchen is right over here. All the major appliances are included: refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, and microwave.
That's great. Having a dishwasher really makes daily life easier.
And the washer and dryer are included as well. They're inside the apartment.
An in-unit washer and dryer is definitely a big plus.
A lot of tenants say the same thing. Now let me show you the bedroom.
Okay.
This is the bedroom. It comfortably fits a queen-size bed, and there's space for a nightstand and a dresser.
I see. The layout makes sense. I could also fit a small desk near the window.
Yes, many people use that corner as a workspace.
That would work well for me. Is the closet inside the bedroom?
Yes, it's a built-in closet with sliding doors.
Great. Storage is important.
And this is the bathroom.
It looks clean and well-maintained.
It was recently renovated. There's a full bathtub with a shower and updated fixtures.
Nice. Is hot water included?
Yes, hot water is included in the rent.
Good to know. Could we talk about the rent?
Sure, the monthly rent is $1,800,
All right.
and some utilities are included.
Okay. Just to confirm, when you say utilities, you mean services like electricity and water, right?
Exactly. Utilities are the basic services you use in the apartment.
Utilities. Got it. And which utilities are included?
Water, trash, and hot water are included. Electricity and internet are not.
Perfect. Thanks for clarifying.
The lease is 12 months.
And there's a security deposit, right?
Yes, the security deposit is 1 month's rent paid before you move in.
What is that deposit used for?
It covers any damage beyond normal wear and tear.
Wear and tear means normal use over time, correct?
That's right.
And when would the deposit be returned?
After you move out, the apartment is inspected. If everything looks good, the deposit is returned within 30 days.
And if there are deductions?
You'd receive a written statement explaining them.
That sounds fair. And are there any amenities in the building?
Yes, there's a gym, a swimming pool, and a shared barbecue area.
Are those included in the rent?
Yes, all of them are included.
That's great. Having a gym in the building is very convenient. What would be the next step if I decide to apply?
You'd fill out an application, provide proof of income, and we'd run a background and credit check.
How long does that usually take?
2 to 3 business days.
Okay. And when would the apartment be available?
Starting next month.
That works for me.
Great. I'll send you the application details.
Thank you. You explained everything very clearly.
You're welcome. Let me know if any questions come up.
And that brings us to the end of today's apartment rental conversation.
We hope this helped you feel more confident during an apartment visit, from touring the bedroom and bathroom to asking about rent and amenities.
Remember, asking clear questions helps you make better decisions.
If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now, and happy learning.